endless ocean of the cosmos, astronomers have found something impossible. A star so strange, so unlikely, that by all our current understanding of physics, it shouldn't even exist. And yet, it does. Welcome to Beyond the Stars, where we explore the mysteries of the universe. If you love cosmic stories and space theories, subscribe and join our journey through the great unknown. In 2016, astronomers peering deep into the Milky Way stumbled upon a stellar enigma, a star known as J005311. Located 10,000 light-years away, it shines brighter than it should, burns hotter than theory allows, and here's the kicker: it shouldn't be alive at all. Our models of stellar evolution tell us that certain stars should collapse into white dwarfs, fade away, and never ignite again. But J005311 defied the rules. It's believed to be the result of two dead stars, white dwarfs, colliding. This violent merger reignited nuclear fusion, creating a star born from stellar corpses. But here's the haunting truth: this star is living on borrowed time. Its fuel will burn out in just a few thousand years, a cosmic blink, before collapsing into a neutron star or even a black hole. We are witnessing it in its brief, impossible second life. The universe is full of surprises. Stars are born, die, and sometimes break the rules. J005311 reminds us that even the most trusted scientific models can be upended by reality. If you enjoyed this journey, leave a like, share it with a fellow space lover, and subscribe to explore more mysteries beyond the stars.